My name is Scott Roberts. I'm here at Station 92 in Lake Arrowhead, California. Right now we're sitting in our ARV, and what it allows us to do is to be able to access the backcountry that our Type 1s and Type 3s can't access. Allows us to be able to go off-road to our collisions by motorcycles and our quads and our ATVs that happen in the backcountry. Sometimes we have a lot of trails and people get sick and they need help on those trails. Where Tablet Command comes into play is the fact of the matter that we have everything we need in one piece of equipment. It allows us to see the call type, see the call location, and it also gives us detailed notes that either the call taker is putting in or the RP is giving the call taker to put in the notes. So rolling onto or into the scene, we can see, is it an ATV? Is it a downed hiker? And those updates are continuously coming in. We all know a lot of times the call comes out as a stomach pain, right? By the time we get to the call, Tablet Command allows us to see the rolling notes and updates from dispatch to know like, oh, this is not an abdominal pain. This person fell down on the trail and now they have a broken leg. That allows us to get closer to be able to have more of a picture of what's going on before we get there, and allows us, our agency, San Bernardino County Fire, the ability to fire up and spool up additional pieces of equipment. Coming from multiple agencies throughout my career, I believe Tablet Command is a great interface because it allows you to have multiple pieces of equipment or multiple pieces of information readily at your hands instead of fumbling through multiple guidebooks, wildland guidebooks, and all these different things. It puts it in one location so that you can just scroll through it and know what, where, and how to minimize and manage an incident.